is, man? It's your boy Nato Nation. You know it's raining. You know what we gotta do. We gotta turn off trash control right now. We finna slide through the neighborhood. Hold on, bro. I hope they give me a little time. Oh, ow. I ain't did this shit in so long, bro. I'ma bleep every language out, but I gotta stop cussing. I ain't did this junk in so long, bro. We finna slide, bro. I'm scared, nah. I wasn't scared the whole time. I've been waiting on this shit. I've been waiting on this shit for the longest. It's raining now. And I'm scared. I'm terrified. And my check engine light keep coming back on. It keep going off and on, but I ain't got no catch. So that's the reason why. Ah, fuck. I'm in track mode. With bald tires. That bitch slid hard as fuck. I had to get out of it though. Car coming. I didn't want to slang that bitch the other way. Hold on, man. Let me throw this bitch in manual, cause I can't be driving in automatic. That's not good. It's not good at all. That shit gonna be hard to hit or fuck it. I can just shift that bitch over down. That shit look clustered up like a mug. Cause that big ass extension cord. Anyway, I ain't finna do too much talking in this video. I gotta stay focused, alright? So I'm gonna crash it, and I gotta do this shit with one hand. One hand, that's hand high. Damn, it would be a car right there. That's why I was gonna try to slide the whole inner. You feel me? Can't do it now. Nigga truck too damn big. He all been away and shit. Nigga, what? Nigga, what? I ain't gonna push that hoe too much. Like I said, bro. Tires bald as fuck. I don't want the hoe to blow. I just want to drift this hoe through the neighborhood. That's it. That's all I want to do. I got a dookie, but what the fuck? What the shit? Motor finna be hot as hell, but it raining though, so and it's cold, so you know, I'm gonna be careful. Why am I so scared? Why am I so scared? But them tires be bald. This shit catching up good as hell. Why am I so scared? Oh my goodness. I'm trying to practice slinging that hoe and catching it. But I don't want to do that shit with a curb. Nigga, what? Nigga, this shit. I gotta give me an intake too. My homie just got an intake and that bitch look good. And it would be a car coming once again. What, nigga? How'd I do that? Speed bump. You good though? How the fuck I do that? One hand, man. One hand, man. I'm staying over here where there ain't no curb at on God. Cause I hit one of them curbs, it's over with. I'm staying where the dips at. Fuck you talking about. Fuck you talking about. How am I doing that? How am I doing that? What's this way? Should be going this way. A fucking curb? That's what's over here. It would be. I would go back in the wrong territory. I gotta bust me a UE. Can't bust no UE out here though. This shit ain't wide enough. They hoe like to open up and I don't like that shit. Why the fuck ain't my windows rolled down? Let me roll them bitches down real quick. What can I turn around at, nigga? Nowhere. Shit ain't wide enough. No, I'm not no professional now. You felt the front end. Front end was just gonna slide. So I gotta do this shit forward. roll down the window though, so I can get y'all sound. I gotta check my tires, man. I know it's raining and all, but damn. Shit been trying to get loose on me all day. Go ahead, turn up, nigga. Talking about the car. These niggas gonna hate me, I already know it. What? What, nigga? What? Hey, bitch, we going back through the neighborhood, fam. Wow! Oh shit, I just yelled on accident. My fault, folks. I forgot. Y'all got earbuds in and shit. I'm sorry. That was my fault. I ain't mean to do all that. Big ass block. Why the block right there? Why is there a big ass rock in the middle of the road? What the fuck? I got a 30. Fuck, I can't even talk. I got a 30 bitch in manual. Cause this hoe keep shifting and shit, fucking up my momentum. We in manual now, we in second gear. I'm gonna do it in second. Just practicing. That's all I'm doing. I gotta do this shit where the curves not at. Cause nigga, I hit them curves. Like I said, bro, we were fucked. We were done for. Around the curb? Around the curb? No! Damn, I wish somebody could film this from the outside. I done got the hang of this shit now. Nah, I threw this bitch in manual. Nope, it threw itself back in drive. We in second though. It ain't wanna slide just then. Why? I mean, the tires was spinning, but they ain't wanna throw itself. Why? Maybe it gotta be in drive. Where we at with it? Damn, my shit getting hot now. It ain't getting hot, but it's like the temperature rising in this hoe. Temperature is rising. Let me go do some donuts real quick, and that's it. I'm gonna end this video right here. I ain't scared no more. The shit just, I don't know, shit feel too good now. Pushing out through the neighborhood, fam. What the fuck? I know everybody hate this shit. They mad. I can hear shit on that back tire though. That hoe probably finna bust. Why is it curves in some parts of the neighborhood and the curves not in some parts of the neighborhood? This nigga put a spoiler on the Impala. This nigga watching this shit. Well, I got traction control off. I can just go right here, for real. go check my tires, bro. I'm in this video. Right here. I ain't gonna end it right here, but I'm gonna end it whole up here. I ain't gonna drip this one, cause you know this where I live at right here. Well, I ain't gonna say I live here, but this where I park. I don't park my car right here. This where I don't even know what to call this spot. This my chill spot. I chill by myself over here. But anyway, bro, if y'all like the video, everybody like, share, subscribe. You know, content, bro. I'm doing it for y'all, man. I got bald tires. Them bitches gonna pop at any moment, and y'all motherfuckers, bro, y'all better like this shit. Anyway, bro, I'm out of here.
I was on the beat, it's crazy.
Look at what we got, bro. That's why you're showing. That's it. That's enough. I'm out of here. I gotta go buy some more tires.